27 Surprising natural uses for coconut oil. Coconut oil is incredibly popular, and for good reason. It's a brilliantly versatile natural product that has multiple beauty and household uses. It offers many health benefits as well as a delicate taste, and is widely available. It's also an extremely versatile oil with a number of uses you may not be aware of. Protect your skin from UV rays. When applied to your skin, coconut oil will help protect you from the sun's ultraviolet rays. UV rays can raise your risk of skin cancer and cause wrinkling and brown spots. It has been shown that coconut oil blocks out about 20% of the sun's UV rays. Keep in mind though that it doesn't provide the same protection as conventional sunscreen, which blocks about 90% of UV rays. Natural exfoliator. Mix together coconut oil and coconut sugar. It has no hidden nasties and can double up as great moisturizer. Leaving your skin feeling great to touch, see and smell. Can be used on your face or whole body. Natural moisturizer for your skin. Coconut oil makes a wonderful moisturizer for your legs, arms, and elbows. It isn't recommended for those with very oily skin though. It can help repair cracked heels also. Simply apply a thin coat to your heels at bedtime, wearing a pair of socks. Continue on a nightly basis until your heels are smooth. Can relieve skin irritation and eczema. Coconut oil can improve dermatitis and other skin disorders at least as well as mineral oil and other conventional moisturizers. In one study, 47% of those treated with coconut oil noticed major improvements to their eczema. Natural homemade washing detergent will make approximately 200 grams of detergent. In a mixing bowl, mix 150 grams of coconut oil, 55 milliliters of water, 25 grams of bicarbonate of soda and a drop of perfume. This mixture will leave clothes smelling clean and fresh. Improves brain function. Your liver breaks down the MCTs in coconut oil and turns them into ketones. Ketones can act as an alternative energy source for your brain. It has been suggested that using coconut oil as a source of MCTs will increase the production of ketones and in turn can have major benefits for brain disorders, including epilepsy and Alzheimer's. Natural lice remedy. Start with a rinse of apple cider vinegar. Once the vinegar has dried, apply coconut oil to the entire head and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. Brush through hair with a fine comb, then shampoo. Natural furniture polish. Coconut oil makes a great furniture polish. It's natural and works like beeswax. It doesn't contain the chemicals like store-bought products. Rub a small amount onto furniture surfaces and leave the area to dry. It will nourish wooden surfaces and help avoid any cracking. Help to increase your metabolism. Medium-chain triglycerides are fatty acids that are quickly absorbed and can increase the number of calories you burn. Coconut oil is a great source of MCTs. Studies have shown that MCTs can significantly boost your metabolic rate. Natural deodorant. Make your own natural deodorant at home. Mix coconut oil with arrowroot powder, cornstarch, baking soda, and a scented oil for a DIY natural deodorant. A natural diffuser. Create some aromatherapy by burning coconut oil with a dash of lavender essence on an oil diffuser to help with a relaxed night's sleep. Lavender is proven to help aid sleep and will leave the room smelly beautiful. Cook safely at high temperatures. Coconut oil is a safer alternative for cooking at high temperatures. About 87% of coconut oil's fat is saturated, which makes it very high in saturated fat content. This makes it one of the best fats for high heat cooking, including frying. Unlike the polyunsaturated fatty acids found in vegetable oils, saturated fats retain their structure when heated to high temperatures. Oils such as corn and safflower are converted into toxic compounds when heated. These can have harmful effects on your health. Natural hair brush disinfectant. Hairbrushes can get pretty dirty with a buildup of dead skin and hair. So to freshen them up, rub them with a bit of coconut oil. Leave for a couple of hours and then wash it off. It will disinfect the brush and condition the bristles as well. How to make a natural healthy mayonnaise. Commercial mayonnaises often contain soybean oil and lots of added sugar. It's easy, however, to make your own mayo with coconut oil. Ingredients: 4 egg yolks at room temperature, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon regular or Dijon mustard or half a teaspoon dried mustard, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon pepper, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/2 cup melted coconut oil. Instructions: 1. Put egg yolks into blender or bowl and whisk until smooth. 2. Add lemon juice or vinegar, mustard, and spices and blend again until mixed. 3. Slowly add oil while blending at low speed, starting with a drop at a time until it starts to emulsify, and then keep adding slowly until all oil is incorporated. Store in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Natural barbecue cleaner. Use coconut oil to keep your barbecue clean this summer. Rub coconut oil over the grill and leave for a few hours. Go back with a cloth, wipe off the grease, and it will be ready to fire up in no time. You can also do the same with any build-up on your kitchen burner and oven racks. Natural way to help improve your dental health. Coconut oil is a powerful weapon against bacteria, including Streptococcus matans, the bacteria in your mouth that causes dental plaque, tooth decay, and gum disease. Swish with coconut oil for 10 minutes, which is known as oil pulling. This will reduce bacteria as effectively as rinsing with an antiseptic mouthwash. It will also significantly reduce inflammation and plaque in people with gingivitis. Just make sure you rinse it out and never swallow. How to make a natural bike oil. Apply just a thin layer of coconut oil to your bike chain and gears and watch the bike get back into action. Stuck bike chains and shift gears will improve by using coconut oil as a natural lubricant. Improve wound healing naturally. Using coconut oil can lead to a reduction in inflammatory markers and increased production of collagen, a major component of skin, making wounds heal much faster. To speed healing of minor cuts or scrapes, apply a little bit of coconut oil directly to the wound and cover it with a bandage. Can boost bone health. Antioxidants in virgin coconut oil may protect bone health by neutralizing free radicals, which can damage bone cells. A recent study showed that coconut oil can significantly improve bone volume and improve bone structure. Natural shaving cream. Warm some coconut oil and smooth onto the desired area before shaving. Your razor will glide smoothly against the oil, allowing for a close shave, leaving your skin feeling moisturized. Make a non-toxic natural insect repellent. Thai essential oils may be a natural way to keep bugs away and avoid bites and stings. However, they need to be combined with a carrier oil. So, combine some Thai essential oils with coconut oil. This should provide over 90% protection from the bites of certain mosquitoes. Natural makeup remover. Take 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil and massage it straight onto your skin. Rinse with warm water or wipe away with a facial cloth. This is a much more gentle, natural alternative to face wipes and harsh cleansing products. A natural way to combat candida. Yeast infections commonly occur in warm, moist areas of the body, such as the mouth or vagina. Candida albicans is the fungus responsible for these infections. It has been found that coconut oil is as effective as fluconazole, the antifungal medication typically prescribed for Candida infections. A natural hair mask. Running the jar of coconut oil under the warm water, while in the shower, will melt your coconut oil. After shampooing, apply a generous amount of the oil to wet strands and twist hair up into a bun. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes before rinsing to add moisture and shine to your hair. Natural way to remove stains. Stains, including spills on carpets and furniture, can be removed using coconut oil. Combine 1 part coconut oil with 1 part baking soda and mix into a paste. Apply this to the stain, wait 5 minutes, and wipe away. Natural way to soothe chapped lips. Coconut oil makes an ideal natural lip balm. It glides on smoothly, leaves your lips moist for hours, and can even provide some protection from the sun. Natural way to remove eye makeup. Coconut oil is a gentle and effective eye makeup remover. Apply with a cotton pad and wipe gently until all traces of makeup are gone.